Hello and welcome to another video on my channel. Today about the fake Airpods 2. It's the super copy of it. Now we take a look on it. So the packaging looks like that. On the bottom we can see here the textings with designed by Apple in California, the serial number, also other stuff, and what not should be here on the original packaging is this Chinese text, but it's only the packaging. Here on the sides the Apple logo, and here Airpods wireless charging case. Also on the back we see the Airpods with the green LED. So here the text again, designed by Apple in California. Have a look at them. It says Airpods with a shiny black color. Okay. Here we have what we have to do. Activate the Bluetooth, connecting and start listening. And with the devices it will work with watchOS, iOS and macOS. Here the same manual in Chinese. Oh no, it's also in English. Okay, you can activate Siri on it. The light on this, when we close the AirPods, it shows, when it's green, it shows that the AirPods are fully charged, and when it's red, they are not full charged. And they are automatically will be charged when you put them in the case. Okay. Then here are the AirPods. Take them on the side, and on the bottom you can see here the light cable. It's a normal lightning cable, like Apple would make this, with the lightning port and the USB port. Okay, and these are the AirPods. They look very good. Here designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. The button is also at the right place. They put it a little bit higher. Here we have the lightning port, so the cable does fit in and it sits really good. Yes. So that was the AirPods. Now we will test it on the phone. Okay, so on the phone just activate Bluetooth. And now we can open the AirPods. You can see here the green light and also the texting here. The pop-up will come and we will connect them. They connect very fast. And now you are always asking about the battery percentage of the AirPods on the pop-ups. So the battery percentage of the case is real, and the one from the AirPods are fake, so they always show 100%. Press on done and we are connected. Now we take the AirPods out of the case. Here the case just looks like normal. The light is flashing and it stopped now. We are now connected with the AirPods. Here you can see the AirPods. Oh, and it has also texting down here. I can't focus on that, but it has also texting here down the AirPods. This one, on the other also. Now we can zoom down a little bit. So here the AirPods and my phone, and now I will play music. Okay, so the music is playing now. You can hear it. Not the maximum volume, but now it has the touch functions. Press one time for pause the music, another time for playing it. Double tap for the next songs and tap 3 times for the previous song. This is working perfect. And as you also could see on the packaging, there's a wireless charging case, so it has real wireless charging, but I got the message that it's not so stable, but it will work. So just put the case on here and you can see it's charging. So I didn't have any problems for charging this case. It just was perfect. You can see you can place it on here. The red LED is on and it will charge, and when I take it off, the LED goes off. Just works perfect. Okay, so we can put them in the case and they will charge. You can see that it's flashing, and they are such cool AirPods. I think they cost around like this, the version 1, these two. And yes, that was the video of the fake AirPods 2, and I hope you liked it, and see you next time. Goodbye.